How to avoid a static shock when petting your cat. Why do you get a shock from petting your cat? When she rolls on the sofa, why does her hair stand on end? Cat fur is highly susceptible to static electricity, meaning it's easily charged. Any material that's easily charged will transfer the charge to you. When two objects rub against each other, the outer electrons form an attachment called an electrostatic bond. When they separate, friction strips electrons from one, leaving it positively charged, and leaves an excess on the other, creating a negative charge. This triboelectric or static charge is what causes Kitty's hair to stand up. When you pet her, the charge transfers from her fur to your hand or vice versa. Though comparatively infinitesimal, this discharge is like a bolt of lightning. That's a static shock. So what can you do about it? Several things. As we know, static is worse in cold weather or dry climates. That's because dry air is an insulator. Insulators prevent the flow of electricity. When the air is dry, a static charge on your body, or your cat's, has nowhere to go. It stays on the surface until you touch something, then zap. You hear the sizzle and feel the annoying, or painful, static shock. Water conducts electricity. In humid weather, the moisture absorbs electrical charges, including static, and allows them to flow or dissipate through the air. To prevent static shocks, you could squirt your cat with a water spray. Kidding, I'm kidding. We would never suggest that. But if you have a humidifier, use it to put moisture in the air. You could also rub moisturizing lotion onto your hands, or run your hands under water. The moisture will neutralize static on your hands and her fur, preventing shocks. After playing with your cat, try to get in the habit of touching nearby objects with the side of your hand as opposed to your fingertips. With its larger contact area and relatively few nerve endings, the discharge from the side of your hand is barely noticeable. Whatever you do, on a dry day, do not comb your hair and then touch Kitty's nose. Or you'll both be sorry. Static Works produces static control flooring products that protect sensitive electronic components from harm caused by electrostatic discharge, ESD. Static Works. We keep you grounded.